Yo, what's up YouTube? Today I'm gonna be showing you how to paint the front grille on the G37. I have a 2008. This could work for the sedan, but I have the coupe model. I'm sure it works in all models and years. But anyways, this is the look right here. As you can see, it's all worn down, tear down, all gunky, rusty, junky. I just don't like it, alright? I won this car in the auction. I'm doing repairs on it right now, trying to make it look as good as possible. Right now I'm doing the wheels. Please click the link or the little card that pops up to learn how to do it yourself. This is not plastic dip, alright? This is actually how to paint it the right way. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm not gonna stall. Please leave a like, subscribe, hit the bell, hit the share button so you can help me guys get more views and beat the YouTube algorithm. Alright, so anyways, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna remove this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, this one, that one, these two, and there's gonna be a bolt right around right here where I put my hand. I'll take a different angle. I just don't have good lighting. It's right there. And yeah, I know I went too quick, but you can pause the video right here. I'll leave highlights and where I have arrows pointing at the ones you need to remove. And then from there, yeah, same side with this one. Yours most likely might have the fender. I can show you how to bend it. Don't be scared to bend it, alright? But anyways, I'm gonna put on the GoPro on my head. As you can see right here, here's the I'm gonna go ahead and install it. Just watch step by step. If you get lost, just watch the video, repeat, whatever. Alright, let's get started. Here's the front bumper. As you can see right here, looks pretty good, in good condition. This is obviously not the OEM bumper, you can tell, because like it doesn't match. The paint doesn't match at all. But anyways, you're gonna take off these bolts right here, right? So you remove this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and these clips right here, you can grab like a flathead. So just kind of like poke it like this, so it can like kind of like fold in, and then you can like kind of like pop it out like that using your hands. Alright, so again, I'm gonna just put on the GoPro so you guys can see me do it. I look kind of crazy, I know, but anyways, let's get this started. Alright guys, I finally removed the front grille to the front bumper. As you can see right here, there is no grille to this bumper, alright? So where is that? It's right here, right? So again, rusty, musty, dusty, crusty. I just don't like it, alright? How are we gonna fix it? Sandpaper, right? First step is the 400 grip. Grab it from Walmart, Home Depot, Lowe's, whatever. I recommend Home Depot, or check the description down below. And we're gonna sand this down, alright? The way we're gonna do it, just sand it like this. Literally, that's all you gotta do. You need no special tools. All you need is your hands, and that's it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started, y'all. Here we go! Alright y'all, I just finished sanding down the front grille. I did figure out that you can actually take this off. Sorry, I forgot to mention to you. It's super simple, literally just these two little clips right there. That's it. All right, we're gonna need a wet rag, all right? So I have a wet rag right here. All we're gonna do, just wipe it down the front grill, take off the grease, debris, whatever you smudge on that front grill. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just do that. And there you go, y'all. Now we're ready to prime this thing, all right? So what we're gonna use to prime this front grill is we're gonna use this can right here. I'll just pop a clip of me grabbing it in Home Depot. And yeah, I'm just gonna show a time lapse of me spraying it down. It's nothing crazy. Yeah, just enjoy that clip. Alright, y'all, so you can see I just finished priming down the front grill, right? So I am sadly gonna do it the hood wrap version. I'm just gonna do primer and then put a clear coat, alright? Here's the clear coat, y'all. So you can see I got this from Home Depot. I'll leave a clip of where I got this, the price, and check the description down below where you can get it. And yeah, so we're gonna let this dry up a tiny bit. It looks pretty good to me. I'm pretty satisfied with the look. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and add some clear coat. I recommend you add 3 coats of the clear coat and you should be good. And yeah, let's just watch the process unfold. All right, let's go. Alright, y'all, I just finished doing the clear coat. Just repeat this 2 more times, so 3 coats total, and that is it. Alright, so yeah, just repeat the process installing the front bumper. And yeah, I'm gonna just do a time lapse 1 more time, and I'm gonna show you the final product. I'm gonna do like a B-roll shots of the car. I'm gonna make it nice and beautiful. Alright, anyways, I'm talking too much. Let's get this started. Alright, y'all, I just finishing up with the front grille for the G37. Alright, so let me go ahead and show y'all. Here it is, y'all. Take a look, take a good look. This is only the primer and the clear coat, right? That is it, literally, that is it. And it blends right in, it looks perfect, y'all. So yeah, I've also finished the wheel over. Boring. So y'all, please drop a like, subscribe, hit the share button, hit the bell, whatever you need to do to tell your friends about this. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for sticking around so much. I love y'all, and I see you guys in the next video. But peace.